I'm Jason Catrone.
And I'm Gage Brownie.
And we are doing some sidewalk karaoke.
Hey.
Tell all the lovely people your lovely name.
Hi, my name is Perplexity. Happy Pride.
Hey, happy Pride, Perplexity. Thanks for joining us. Sidewalk karaoke in our martini shakers. I'm sure you like a martini or two, as we all do. I have names of famous artists. Gage over here has names of famous songs. You're going to pick an artist and a song and then attempt to sing that song like that artist. You ready? Okay, here we go. Full name. It's going to be so fun. Yep.
Oh, I got Taylor Swift.
So we got some Taylor Swift.
Okay.
Song.
All right, and the song is Beat It. Okay.
So you got to sing Beat It like Taylor Swift could never do in her own life, okay? You all come out here and join the drag party bus in Nashville. You ready for this?
We're going to find out. We're going to learn today.
Oh, here we go.
All right, here it goes. It goes something like, the words for Beat It, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So Taylor would start off her concert by going, I just want to say, fuck all my exes. Beat it. Beat it. I'm Taylor Swift. Thank y'all. Bye.
Love it.
That
Love
was
it.
fantastic. Fantastic. We're going to have fun on the bus, you guys.
Yes.
Come to Nashville, get on the bus, have fun with all these beautiful
Yes.
ladies. We'll see you soon.
Thank you.